Hello everybody, today we will start working with our middle split and how to stretch it. I will show you now some exercises. So we will get started. First thing what we will do, we will work with our hip. So we will take it with this side and starting to push it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we take one leg and we starting to move. We'll stretch and back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, take our hip, starting to work and take it up, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. Okay. After that, let's try to make this leg and starting to up. So 1, 2, 3. Good work. Take 2 legs together and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want good stretch, do this exercise on right leg and left. So I hope that you like it. Take me likes, comments good, and follow me. So bye bye.